This is a 2014 Buick Enclave Premium, one owner, with 20,000 original miles. Yep, 20,000 original miles. The vehicle is like new in and out. It is running. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing, mechanically or cosmetically. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know, and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. You're not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pricing, more pictures, including undercarriage pictures showing you that it is completely rust-free, feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. Yes, this vehicle really has 20,000 original miles. I love the color scheme. Pearl white with camel leather. Third row seating. Again, just like new, in and out. For a 2014, wow. So it is the premium, so it has a ton of options: navigation, backup camera. Tires are in great shape. It has 20-inch alloy wheels. Heated seats, moonroof. One senior owner, Carfax certified, rust-free, 20,000 original miles. Panoramic moonroof. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this car. It is that clean. Very, very clean vehicle. So the camel leather is like new. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. We have the original floor mats. Has heated and air-conditioned seats, automatic transmission. It has navigation, backup camera. 20,139 miles at the time of this video. Power lift gate, third row seating, premium BOSE sound, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control, power telescoping steering wheel, power seats. Yes, this vehicle is really this clean. Look at the center console, crazy clean. Third row seating. It has dual panoramic moonroofs. There's one there, and there's one there. It has a DVD player. So again, this is the 2014 Buick Enclave, two-wheel drive, premium, one owner, 20,000 original miles in like new condition. Wow.